Welcome to our TourAI tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most of your travel planning with TourAI. Let's get started by creating your TourAI account. It's super easy. Just follow these steps. Open the TourAI app and tap on Sign Up. Enter your full name, email, and create a password. Then tap Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link. Verify your email and you're good to go. For the new users, TourAI gives a free personalized itinerary for wherever the user wants. Let's use that free gift now to get a free itinerary. Firstly, select the destination you want to travel. Then choose your travel dates and tap Next. Now let's customize your travel preferences. Choose the time you want your itinerary to start and end, who you're traveling with, the type of experience you want, and your budget. These preferences help TourAI tailor your itinerary. With your preferences set, it's time to create your personalized itinerary. Tap Plan Your Free Trip now, and TourAI's AI will work its magic. After AI creates the itinerary, we are directly prompted to our destination screen. Here, TourAI gives a brief description about the destination, some travel tips, and in the next tab, we have our detailed itinerary hour by hour. Travel times between attractions along with the traveling methods are included, and also you can get directions from Google Maps by tapping Directions button for each attraction. Now let's go back to the Overview tab, because I'm sure you've seen it, and of course you're curious to know about expense tracking. With this cool feature, managing your travel expenses is a breeze. Simply choose your currency and enter your budget. Then, by tapping on the plus button, you can enter your expenses in different categories to keep tabs on your spending. Try TourAI today and see how easy it is to create a personalized itinerary. And for more travel tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Happy travels with TourAI, and until next time, explore the world your way.